For that, here I have taken around 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Here I have taken 3 tablespoons of oil, black pepper powder, tomato ketchup, red chili sauce. Actually, in India, in West Bengal, people use green chili sauce, but here I have not found green chili sauce, so here I am using this hot chili sauce. Salt to taste. 2 eggs. I will make 2 egg roll, so I will use 2 eggs. And for vegetables, around half a cup of finely, sliced onion, grated carrot, chopped cilantro, grated cucumber, or you can cut in thin sliced pieces, and just 2 green chilies chopped. So at first I'm going to make a dough, all-purpose flour dough. So for that, here I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil and salt to taste. Then mixing together. Now I'm going to add water to make soft dough. To make egg roll, I have to make a roti, all-purpose flour roti. So I will make the roti dough, soft roti dough. Don't add too much water at a time. So you can see that I have made this soft dough. So now I am going to leave it for about half an hour. So after half an hour, again I am kneading it a little bit, just for about 2 to 3 minutes. And now I am going to make small balls from this dough to make roti. Rolling it and making this type of small balls. Next one. And now I'm going to roll this ball to make round, thin shape roti. So here I'm using a little bit dry flour. I'm rolling it. And I will make thin roti. So you can see that I have made this thin roti. So now I'm going to make another one. Okay. So you can see this is my second one. And now I'm going to make roti. So my pan already heated. Put this roti. After 1 minute, now I'm going to turn it other side. And after another 1 minute, my roti is done. And same way I'm going to another one, stretching a little bit by using your hand. And after 1 minute I'm going to turn it other side. And after another 1 minute, my roti is done. And after making roti, now here I have taken 1 egg, and now I'm adding just a pinch of salt, just a pinch of, then with this very well. Okay, and next I'm going to pour 1 tablespoon of oil. And now I'm going to pour this egg scrape this egg like this, and then put this roti on this egg. After 2 minutes, now I'm going to turn it to the other side. Wow. And again I will fry another 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, it's done. And same way I am making another one. So now again I'm going to pour around 1 tablespoon of oil. Okay, and then I'm going to put this here. Then put this roti. After 2 minutes, now I'm going to turn it other side. Wow. And again I will cook it for about another 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, this is done. So after making this egg rotis, now I am going to mix the all vegetables together. Onion, carrot, cilantro, cucumber, and adding black pepper powder, tomato ketchup, and this red chili sauce, just a little bit because this is really hot. Now mixing together very well. Adding more tomato ketchup. So my filling is done, and now I'm going to put this filling into this egg roti like this. Wow. Then roll it like this. And check one paper towel or any type of tissue paper, and then so you can hold it very well. Wow. See, this is the egg roll. Now I'm going to make second one. This filling into this roti. Okay, now roll it. So friends, here is my Indian egg roll. It looks just